Hello guys, it's me Shreya. You're watching my YouTube channel Facttechz. In today's video, we are going to know about some interesting facts related to vehicle which can blow your mind. Before starting this video, I want you all to like this video, subscribe to Facttechz for more interesting fact videos, share this video with your kind ones, and comment down below which would motivate me for making more videos. Without further ado, let's begin today's video. Let's go. Number 1. Guys, do you know that Ferrari company manufactures maximum 14 cars a day? And if we compare with Toyota, the largest producer of car, Toyota company produces around 13,400 cars daily according to the 2014 report from www.toyota.jp. Let's move to our next fact. Now, car crashes another object or car or anything else, then the car will release airbags to secure the passenger, and the airbags will just release in 40 milliseconds. So you can think the airbag releases is so fast. Let's move to our next fact. Number 3. Planes are designed to be struck by lightning strikes, and they are regularly hit. It's estimated lightning strike each plane once in every year, or once per every 1,000 hours of flight time. Yet, lightning hasn't brought down a single plane since 1963 due to careful engineering and lets the electrical charges of a lightning bolt run through the plane and out of it, typically without causing the damage. It happens because the plane has a very thick layer of metal protection. This fact, we come to the end of this video. I hope you like this video. Share this video with your kind ones, and subscribe to Facttechz for more interesting fact videos, and comment down which will motivate me for making more videos. This is Shreya signing off. I hope you like this video. Bye guys. Peace out.
Ain't got no place to call my own. Feels like I'm better off alone. So sad inside.